Hello everybody, I am your Arpudaraj. It's your English Easy Learn. So far we have seen through 200 most commonly used words in English language. In this video, we are going to watch the third 100 words. Listen the video carefully and practice it thoroughly. You will be able to see the tremendous change in your reading of English. Come, let's move on to the third 100 words. That's episode 3. High, every, near, add, food, between, own, below, country, plant, last, school, father, keep, tree, never, start, city, earth, eye, light, thought, head, under, saw, left, don't, few, while, along, might, close, something, seem, next, hard, open, example, begin, life, always, those, both, paper, together, got, group, often, important, until, children, side, feet, car, mile, night, walk, white, see, began, grow, took, river, foe, carry, straight, once, book, here, stop, without, second, miss, idea, enough, eat, face, watch, far, Indian, really, almost, let, above, girl, sometimes, mountain, cut, young, talk, soon, list, song, being, leave, family,